Oh, then fare thee well, sweet Donegal, the roses and meadows. I'm crossing the main ocean, where the foaming billows roll. It breaks my heart from you to part, where I spent many happy days. So farewell to kind relations. I am bound for America, and Mary, you're my heart's delight, my pride and only care. It was your cruel father would not let me stay there, but absence makes the heart grow fond, and when I am over the may take my darling girl till I return again. And I wish I was in sweet Dunroe and seated on the grass, and by my side a bottle of wine, and on my knee a lass. I'd call for liquor of the best, and I'd pay